...2010 F-150 crew cab. Wow, someone was short. I can't even fit my leg through this. Shit. I don't know why the hood's open. Seems to have power. $10,000 miles. These are very nice trucks inside. I'd say they have the best interior quality and layout out of all the pickups. Not a flimsy console like found in all the other brands. Has a tissue box holder, a big center console with a coin holder, cup holders, climate control, aux jack, radio, slot load CD, the screen for the radio and the climate control, I believe. Let me see. No, that's just radio controls up here.
Not through our pit.
Yeah. Coin holder, power, overhead console, holder for sunglasses, and the lights. Adjustable pedals. Seats are very comfortable. I think this is the 524. Yeah. I don't know why the hood was open. Look at this back seat. It's just cavernous back here. All this legroom. The seats are also very comfortable. Look at that interior light. The same one from a 2000 Taurus wagon. They've been doing that for 10 years. So it has power down here. Just look at this legroom. I was comfortable up front. And look at this. I'm 6'1". I still have like over a foot in front of me. This is like an Expedition or more. And the ride of these F-150s are always pretty good because the shocks are mounted on the outer side. So it's a very stable ride. I've driven these before. Flex fuel. Signal lamps on the mirrors. I also forgot to mention these also use a 6-speed automatic. That's enough of this.